If you have the problem of eye itching, at times associated with redness and watering, do watch the video till the end because here I will be talking about the common causes and I will also talk about ways to overcome it. So keep watching. I am Dr. Poonam Sharma. I am a qualified ophthalmologist with a postgraduate master's degree in the subject. In this channel, I will be talking about eye problems, their solutions, and a whole lot more. So do keep watching and do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for more notifications. Causes of eye itching can be broadly classified into non-allergic and allergic causes. So non-allergic causes are dry eye syndrome, viral conjunctivitis and blepharitis. Here, itching is one of the symptoms, but there are several other symptoms. For example, in blepharitis, you have where there is inflammation of the lid margin, you will have a whitish crust on the lid margin along with redness and itching. In dry eyes, you have severe irritation and foreign body sensation along with redness and itching, while in viral conjunctivitis, you have redness and a watery discharge. Also, there may be a history of upper respiratory tract infection. Now we talk about the allergic causes. Here the predominant symptom is itching, intense itching. So what is the pathophysiology of this? The body's immune system becomes sensitized and overreacts to something in the environment. And when this something or the allergen comes in contact with the antibodies attached to the mast cells in the eyes, these cells respond by releasing histamines and cytokines, and this causes the blood vessels to leak and the eyes become itchy, red and watery. Now these allergic causes can be divided into four main types broadly. The first one is simple allergic conjunctivitis. This is an acute reaction to a topical preparation. It could be an eye drop or a cosmetic product. There is itching, lid swelling, redness, and characteristic exhibitoid dermatitis of the eyelid skin. Treatment is withdrawal of the offending agent, cool compress, and sometimes a topical steroid might be needed. The second important cause is a giant papillary conjunctivitis. Here, this is common in contact lens wearers who may develop this. It could be a reaction to the material of the contact lens or to the contact lens solution. And this may happen even after years of contact lens wear. So if after wearing the contact lens for a long time and you suddenly develop intense itching and you find that the lens wearing time is decreased, you are more aware of the lens, do visit an ophthalmologist and he will examine you and prescribe antihistamines and also advise you about the corrections and modifications in your contact lens usage. Vernal catarrh is the third type, also known as spring catarrh. This occurs in young males 8 to 18 years of age. The symptoms peak in the spring season and sometimes also in the fall. This especially worsens in warm climate. The ocular symptoms may be severe, but there are no systemic symptoms. The conjunctiva in the upper lid and the limbal area, which is the circular margin around the cornea, it shows a thickening known as a papillary hypertrophy. The treatment is cool compress, dark shades, and topical antihistamines, and in severe cases, topical steroids. The fourth type is hay fever and the associated conjunctivitis. Here, systemic symptoms of allergy like allergic rhinitis or mild asthma can be associated with red swollen conjunctiva. The allergen could be pollen, in which case it is seasonal, but if the allergen is mold or pet dander, it may occur round the ear. Treatment is to stay away from the allergens. So if you are allergic to pollens, try keeping your windows closed during that part of the year. You may have to rethink about keeping your pet if you have a severe allergic reaction to pet dander. Also, topical anti-allergic drops like Pataday once a day is really helpful. Topical steroids might have to be used in severe cases. Here I would also like to point out or emphasize about the side effects of topical steroids. Steroids are wonderful drugs, no doubt about that. But if used carefully and under the supervision of an eye specialist. But if used indiscriminately, they might cause serious eye problems like cataracts and glaucoma. So please use it only on the advice of your eye doctor and use it only for short durations in cases of allergic conjunctivitis. So this was all about eye itching. I divided it into non-allergic and allergic causes, and you must have got a fair bit of idea about what to do when you are having this problem. So do subscribe to my channel and do click on the bell icon for notifications. Keep watching.